Well, I just have this real good knack for being at the wrong place at the wrong time. Every time. We're averaging a tornado a week. And tornado season just started. Well, anyhow, I don't know if my camera can pick none of this up, but the really, really low clouds. It rained real heavy. Really, really low cloud. Wind's blowing about 20, 25. And I showed you some pictures earlier of what the storm looked like, but it pretty much did the same thing. Here we go. I don't know if you can see any of this. We tried to film some of it where the actual tornado action's at. The siren went off not too long ago. I guess I'm crazy enough to be standing out here going, where's it at? Let's see if we can get at least some light on the subject. There we go. I don't know how good my battery is, but I'm gonna try. Come on. There we go. It got water on it, didn't it? Yep. Pardon me for a second. Alright, back to the subject. There we go. Supposedly there's a tornado in there. Or it was. But it should be right over there, because it was like right over my camp. And it was real quiet, and all of a sudden a lightning bolt came out of nowhere. I'm talking like, I'm out here camping. You should have heard that. It just came out of nowhere. Now the wind's blowing about 30, that's great. So I'm going to try to film as much as I can. But somehow the tornado is in there somewhere. Maybe over there. That looks more suspicious. There we go. It's a whole lot quieter than it was earlier. Yeah, I think it came out of that thing over there. But the clouds have broken up. There we go. The clouds have broken up. But they're really low. There we go. It's probably over there. But it's probably doing the same thing it did earlier. Because it looks just like it did last week too. It's doing the exact same thing. I mean, they're getting pretty predictable. And it's Monday, of course. It always does this, seems like, at least on Mondays. Sundays and Mondays. I'm trying to be consistent, but there's two thunderheads. I think it's kind of, I guess since it rained, it kind of dissipated. There we go. Yeah, it's over there somewhere. Oh, I see it. Okay, there's the culprit. Let's see if we can get some light on it. But the siren did go off. Like I said, this is pretty common though. I've only been here a year. I've been camping at the same spot, eyeballing the weather. Every time it comes up here, there we go. Maybe we can get a good look at that one. And it does the same thing every year. I'm really not liking it. I don't like living here. It's too difficult. Even though the forest is beautiful and all that, it's just really difficult living here. Got way too much lightning, too many tornadoes. It floods. I'm like right in the middle of the United States. Smack dab in the middle. The wind blows from 3 different directions. Where I'm from, it only blows one direction. I'm not used to all this. Majority of the time it blows from the southwest. This blows from wherever. There we go. It's probably regrouping. But I'm trying to do my best. I'm on limited video here. There's the guy. Plus, I'm almost blind, so that doesn't help much when you're trying to fight off some severe weather in nature. And then they wonder why you don't want to live in a regular house in the Midwest. It's like, no, I think I'll just camp out in case something happens, I'll just get underneath the bridge. So the sirens have been off in the last 3 weeks, at least once a week. And we've had 4 tornadoes. There you go, that's what it looks like. That's what I'm working with. But supposedly it's in that little cluster over there. So I'm going to concentrate on that. It seems to be where all the lightning's coming from. And then I got some behind me. I need to be concerned about too, I'm sure. And another thing I've noticed with their weather here, they're 1 hour to 1.5 hours behind. For some reason, there's a delay of 1 hour to 1.5 hours of time. That was my main notice when I use all the weather, gathering information sites, and it seems like there's an hour or an hour and a half delay. They say, oh yeah, it'll be here at 9, and it gets here at 10:30. So I think they're off about an hour. Every time I've been writing it down. It's like, okay, they were off an hour, hour and a half. Every time. Okay, well, there's this big thing over there. I heard some lightning behind me, so I'm sure there's another one coming up. There we go. Yeah, there's a trouble spot over there. We'll concentrate on that thing. But I was under the impression it was over there. And I sure can't see very good. I got water all over my glasses. Let's see what I can do this. Yeah, it was pretty scary, man. I was just like thinking it was good, just thunder and lightning a little bit. I was like, I'll just get out the lightning. I get over here and just think those sirens are going off. I'm like, oh, that's not. Highway 63 and Paris Road in Columbia, Missouri. It's about, like 11, probably 11 o'clock maybe. There you go. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock. Yeah, see, we got some low, scraggly looking clouds, man. It just doesn't make any sense. I know I'm in the alley. The wind's blowing pretty goofy, so. Yeah, see them low clouds over there? I don't know if you can see with my camera. I don't have the best camera in the world. But the sirens did go off. See, there's some over there. Maybe you can see those. See them? They look all wispy like that. And supposedly it's in that over there. So I don't see any more lightning. That thing over there. There we go. That's where it's at. So that's what it looks like in the middle of the night when it creeps up to your house at 40 miles an hour. And everybody's just driving around like, oh yeah, it's just a tornado. Maybe if I drive fast enough, I'll avoid it. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, that's it. Anyhow, I think what the problem is that these are too small to even notice. some of these, I looked on the radar at the same time we're looking at this, it just seems like it just doesn't pick it up very well. There we go. I'm just looking at funnel clouds. Something posing as Mr. Twister. Okay, well I'm going to turn this off now, but that's pretty much what it looks like. Yep, there you go. Right there is where the Twister's at, but where all that lightning's going. Well, it's starting to rain again. I'm going to go underneath my little hubble. Yeah, there we go. It's starting to rain. Oh yeah, there's something going on. I'm in a tent. This ain't going to be fun. All my stuff's going to be blown away. So I just got what I call the my bug out bag with whatever I can just basically get by with. Yeah, the wind's picking up. We're going to have to vacate, I guess. But yeah, that's it over there. See, I'm down here underneath this bridge. I don't know if you can see this. Maybe. See, there's my rope. I don't know if you can see, it's pretty dark, but I got my rope. But the trucker's not on there. Yeah, I think it's gonna hold. Pray to God it holds. Yeah, this should hold, at least for some heavy-duty wind. Anyhow, as you can see, I got my rope back up in there. It's about 500-pound test, so anyway, I got a whole bunch of it. I just wrap it around my waist and tie it to something and pray. I'm getting pretty used to this stuff. Anyhow, I'll get back with you in a minute if there's any more action.